Point for two, take one, action. Hey guys, it's me, Grayson, and this is 2022, and we have a collector set of the Lion Guard made by Disney Junior, and we got this at Target. Say the name, guys.
The Lion Guard Deluxe gift set, and it is recommended for ages 3 and up, and it's so amazing by
Disney Junior.
Disney Junior. And Grayson's going to tell us all the names of the characters right now.
Oh no, which is right here. Bessie, Timon, Bunga, Pumbaa, and Simba,
Wait.
and Janja, and Foley, and Kion. I know all the names of these.
Cool. These are awesome. Okay, so let's look at the back.
I can show the flap.
Here they are again, and they even have them named under them. And they're so, so precious. They're so adorable. My favorite of all, Kion and Bunga
I love Bunga too.
and Timon. Those are so
I love
precious.
Timon too.
They're all cute though, but except for maybe Janja, it's kind of scary looking. But anyway, they're all cute. So let's tear it open. Yay!
What's a funny line from the show?
Oh yeah, what does Bunga say?
Bunga says.
What's Bunga say?
Tsukisama.
What else? What's Kion do?
Roar.
Ooh.
Kind of a cool backdrop right here.
So when you show each of the characters, tell me what Kion picked them out to be the Lion Guard, right? So tell me what their best trait is. Remember how Kion is the most fiercest, right? Or the bravest, right?
He's not brave, he's the
Oh, who's brave? Bunga, right? Okay. So when you hold each one up, tell what okay. And he doesn't really have a trait that he got picked for, because he didn't get picked. He's the old guy on the show, right?
Yeah.
Rafiki.
Yeah, Rafiki is Toki. And for a little bit, that's because of the little blue off the side there.
So does his tail move actually?
Yeah, see?
Oh, cool.
It bends over, so let's start off with this brown hyena.
Okay, this is a scary looking hyena. And what does the hyenas do? Laugh.
Whoa, whoa,
Oh, awesome.
whoa, whoa, whoa.
So what do we have there, Grayson? We have Simba, right? As an
Yes.
adult. And look at that. Simba can move his front hoofs.
When you push the button right here, he does that.
Awesome.
You
He's
can see
cool.
them all nice and proud, and here, next to
Cool.
with this Ono right here.
Next we have Ono. And what's his trait, his special characteristic?
And he is the keenest of sight.
Okay, so he can see really well, right?
Yeah. Yeah. In the movie, his eyes get a little clearer to the animal to see if they're in trouble or not.
Oh, he can
Ah.
see things far away.
Oh,
There
wow.
goes a bug.
So next let's start off with Timon.
Timon, I love Timon. Timon's so cute.
bendy.
He's bendy.
Yeah. And you see?
Cool.
His tail is also bendy.
Let me see him close up. I can't even see him. He's cute though. Let's see. Okay, now he's focused. I love him. Okay, he's a cutie. The next is a warthog.
And his name is Pumbaa, and that is Timon's big friend.
Yeah, that's his best buddy, right?
Best buddy.
Cool.
Then let's start off with his last sheet.
Now, what's his trait?
And his trait is to be the strongest.
Ooh.
And this is like the best sheet and the overpass. Saw yesterday.
Cool.
And let's start with his bunga.
Bunga. And what's Bunga say again? And he is what?
And the bravest.
Yeah, he's the bravest. Okay.
And his head can move a little bit back because of his hair right here.
Mm-hmm.
Let's start off with his Foley.
Foley. She's pretty.
Her trait is to be the fastest.
She's a fast, swift runner.
Yes.
Wow. Let me look at her. Let me see her. Oh, wow. She's precious.
Let's show her.
What's going on her? She's really pretty. Bright, big green eyes. Look at her big curly tail. She's very pretty. Okay. So the next is what? We have the last but not least is Kion, and he's leader of the Lion Guard, and he is... He's the bravest, right?
Really not the bravest.
Oh no, Bunga's the bravest. What is he's the fiercest?
Yeah, he's the fiercest.
He is the head of the Lion Guard, and he is the fiercest. So how did they determine that he was ready to be in charge of the Lion Guard people and find the people that he thought would best fit the Lion Guard? Who told him that?
And Simba did.
Simba, that's right.
And
Because he heard his roar, right? And it was so loud in it. And all the old lions roared with him, right? And gave it showed the dad that he was ready to be the leader of the Lion Guard. And he picked out all these people himself, all these they're friends of his, but he picked him for different reasons, and his dad thought that he just picked him for friends, right?
Yeah.
But then he said, no, they are all the Lion Guard because they all carry special traits, and they all will help in any kind of situation.
The last thing I want to show you guys about this video is Rafiki's little staff here.
Okay, let's see.
You know his feet are in the ground and his tail is playing in the ground, and also his little hands are pointing at the ground too, and his staff is pointing at the ground as well.
Wow.
Like he's standing up like this.
He looks like a really old man,
Yeah.
but he's an old monkey. He's a cute monkey though. Alright, so I think...
I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. If you did, be sure to click the like button. Also, subscribe